Virtual tools are pretty much digital tools or software applications that allow users to interact and collaborate with others in real time. I mean, regardless of the location. I mean, today, exactly what we are doing right now. And these tools can be used for a variety of reasons, or purposes such as conducting meetings and sharing documents and co-sharing documents in a way, like co-editing documents, and also managing projects, regardless of what type of projects they are. And of course, communicating with each other with various means, like whether it's office space or whether it is personal space, which we all use some of these tools. Jira is a project management tool which started quite some time back, and they're quite really a leading tool in the market. So once I click create project, remember, don't be projects, I don't have a project. Truth is, we have projects, because anything to do in my view is if we have to do, other than myself, and if I have to get involved with 2 or more people, and that's a collaborative work, I could put it as basically I'm going to choose Kanban style here, and I'm going to show you what it is. So that is going to help you. So here you will have 3 columns: to do, in progress, and done. Now also on your planning you have timelines and goals, and you can assign. I should be able to assign it to somebody and get that work, and then they'll be able to write comments on what they have done for that thing. For example, if was it a delay. I think Jira is one of the tools that you can go to an extreme. As I said, in any use cases, you can customize it. So Agile, as I mentioned to you earlier, so there are 2 ways it's allowing you to do within Jira. One is the Kanban, and the other one is, which is basically this Kanban board style, and the other one is Scrum.